Welcome. If you've recently encountered the issue of Pinterest not displaying pins on your PC, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, especially with the latest updates. But don't worry. We have some straightforward steps to help you resolve this issue. Step 1. Close and reopen your browser. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. Close your browser completely and then open it again. This can refresh the session and potentially fix any temporary glitches. Step 2. Ask the sender to resend the pin. If you're trying to view a specific pin that someone sent you, ask them to resend it. There may have been an issue with the original link or a temporary glitch that prevented it from loading properly. Step 3. Refresh the Pinterest web page. Next, try refreshing the Pinterest page. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This action can help reload any content that might not have displayed correctly. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for loading content. From the notifications area on your PC, click on the network icon to check your connection status. If there are issues, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired connection or vice versa. Step 5. Restart your device. If the problem persists, restarting your computer may help. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. After waiting for about 30 seconds, turn your device back on by pressing the power button. Step 6. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve many loading issues. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab that appears, ensure all options are checked and set the time range to All Time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear everything. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Pinterest not showing pins on your PC after the new update. If these solutions don't work, consider checking for any browser updates or reinstalling Pinterest if you're using an app version. Happy pinning!